Yeah, hi, this is Shekhar. Welcome to my channel. So today topic is really bank interest rate is a 50 paisa per 100 rupees. Let's go with the example. So just I'm going to take you one example here. Let's start the show. See, for example, if you take any interest rate outside, let's assume that 1 rupee. Yeah, here I'm going to take an example. Loan amount is 1 lakh rupees and interest rupees in, like as I told, 1 rupee interest rate, and the tenure is 12 months. Just here I took only 1 year, and total interest amount. So how here exactly calculate? And there is one formula. So take a calculator, will calculate that. So here we have to take the first. Here we can observe the formula. Principal amount. So how much principal amount we have taken? 1 lakh. 1 lakh rupees into how much tenure? 12 months. 1 lakh into 12 into how many interest we took already? 1 rupee. Just in by 100. See, 12,000 rupees only for interest rate. If you take 1 lakh loan amount, the tenure is 1 year. Within 1 year we have to pay 12,000 rupees extra. So total payment is interest is very high. Total payment is 1 lakh. So take a calculator. 1 lakh plus 12,000. So total amount we have to pay 1 lakh 12,000 rupees. So which is very high. Same example, if you take a same loan amount and the same tenure, if you take 1 lakh rupees in a bank, so what exactly will go observe? So same example loan amount, I'm going to the second one. Open your EMI calculator, as I previously told you how to calculate an EMI. Yeah, open the EMI calculator and enable downside. You can find it EMI, enable that and go to loan amount. So here, as I told you, take 1 lakh rupees loan amount and interest rate is now 10.75. So why I took 10.75 interest rate means all the official website now showing the starting interest rate is now 10.75 and tenure is now 12 months. So because what exactly I took already in the previous example, 12 months. Just click on calculate and click on again details. In details, you can find out exact information like loan amount and interest rate and tenure, monthly EMI, total interest and total payment. Just find out the difference between, see in bank total interest amount the 5,918 rupees. So whereas a 1 rupee interest rate 12,000 rupees we have to pay. So which is very double. Same in the 1 rupee interest rate per 100 rupees we are paying extra 1 rupee interest rate. If you take the bank interest rate per 100 rupees, we are paying extra 0.50. It means 50 paisa per 100 rupees. That is the main beauty of the bank interest rate. If already have you taken any loan, just compare with. So if it is not yet, if you get any opportunity to get a loan from any other bank, any outside, just comparison while you are taking any loan from anyone or any bank. I hope this video is so very pretty useful to you. I hope if you like the way of explanation and information, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. This is your Shekhar.